Software needed. Install Notepad++ software. Notepad shortcut keys. Control F for find and replace all option. Control S for save. Control G for jump to line. We will use Paint software for resizing logo or images. We learn the following. First step is changing the footer section. Open all the HTML file into Notepad++. We first edit index.html. Copy number. Press Ctrl+F to open Find option. Replace option. Paste number here. Add your number into the second box and click on Replace All. Now your number is updated on the code. Click another page and click Replace All. Using this method, we can change multiple pages' number with single click. Now change email. Use same Replace All method. Now change address. First find. After change is done, save this file. Now for the second step, change logo. Copy and paste logo into theme folder. Delete Hostify logo, then rename your logo name to logo. Done. If you want to change the logo size, change width and height pixel. Save and check. Make changes for all pages. Update hosting plans details and update WHMCS link. Open WHMCS and go to Store option. First, we update shared plans. Open webhosting.html file. Use Find tool. Update plan name and details. Remove all these lines. Use the following tag. Copy link address and paste it. Do the same thing we do earlier. I will copy the code I wrote earlier and paste it below. Now all we have to edit is these four. It's because we copy and paste the code earlier. Copy the link address. Now change the button text. Follow the same process for VPS, reseller, and other pages. Fourth step, change the Hostify branding to your own brand name. Select Find tool or Ctrl F key. Save file. Branding change now. Subscribe for part 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.